Experience elegance, history, and craftsmanship with A Ma Maniére X Air Jordan 6 Smokey Mauve, part of the Built for This Holiday 2025 campaign. Dropping November 21st, this release goes beyond sneakers, blending luxury design and meaningful storytelling. Featuring a rich nubuck upper, smoky mauve accents, and signature quilted lining, it continues A Ma Maniere's legacy of sophistication seen in their Jordan 3 and 4 collaborations. Inside the box lies exclusive artwork by Jammie Holmes, titled Malcolm, portraying strength and hope inspired by Malcolm X. Retailing at $225. This drop celebrates resilience, culture, and excellence. The campaign will also include events in Atlanta, D.C., and Houston, plus an upcoming Jordan 4 Dark Mocha. Stay tuned for every detail on this must-have Jordan release. Style meets purpose in every step.